Yeah, me answer people. I have a message to them two artists here. For Masicka and for Alkaline.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Me need the clash to go on. That's how I ask them two artists here for. You see me? Masicka and Alkaline.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
So to that question, there was actually a good comment in here. Where is it? Yeah, from username 26 to Masicka to you, it's like, I'm not even going to try to speak patois, but Masicka, we wait upon the clash with you and Alka. So, you know, to that point of like, no one man could ever run dancehall, you know, when is the clash going to happen?
Answer, that pass. Alright, see the king just tell you what.
The answer, the correct.
You never move your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox. How the latest news them love.
People are going, I don't know, one Media Fox pan up, you know. Yeah, man. People, so it's not change or not. I'm a fair shame. Man say not change. You don't know what going on, no, me G. You understand? I be things are going on dance like no, me G. You see me? And big up Brazil, my side. You see, Jano, Germany, I saw it go dog. Jano, I need to work on the team, brother. Cause I can't believe say two side beat, you know, the Ecuador and now our Paraguay or whatever, dog. Jano, man, them give away much. You know, we don't know what kind of kick that over goal and nervous kick that, me G. But people, make we go in a video and make we not change, I say, you see me?
Yeah, me answer people. I have a message to them two artists here. For Masicka and for Alkaline. But hear me out. Call in the vloggers them. Make sure so now blast that one here. You see, after World Cup done, big up Brazil, come in Brazil, Ganzi and thing. You see, when World Cup done, this is how more Masicka and Alkaline for do. You see, when World Cup pass and gone, you see me, cause everybody right now, you see me, it's a World Cup moment. That's what Papi would have said. But you see right now, yeah, a World Cup time. You see, after Masicka drop him album August and thing, and it shell down in place, and it do it for do, whatever, if you want to go billboard, anything you want to do. You see, after that pass and gone, me need the clash to go on. That's how I ask them two artists here for. You see me? Masicka and Alkaline. One thing I can tell you now. Anyhow, the two want to decide for clash. And run the clash from September. Go straight to December and lock down the whole place.
So to that.
So look at them people, me I go play a clip. Cause brother, we don't realize what I want, brother. Masicka no want to clash me G. You understand? And you have to understand, brother. When Alkaline fought in that game, remember say Masicka run up and him see a bag of thing. Remember, you know, at the end of the day, Alkaline never see this youth. But him did a try gain attention for the Gaza fans. So him say, yo, Alkaline live in a cartel shadow and bag of things. You understand? And then him go up on stage and say, yo, me some boy talk about Gully Vendetta. Gaza genocide. You understand? So him been a true ray, and when Alkaline run out on him now, him no want to clash me G. But me go play a clip and show you say man no want to clash.
Question, there was actually a good comment in here. Where is it? Yeah, from username 26 to Masicka to you, it's like, I'm not even going to try to speak patois, but Masicka, we wait upon the clash with you and Alka.
Alright, my pause it here so people. Because Masicka, look how him stay. Him on their mouth, him no want answer, you know, him did it all long, you know. You understand? So him is like Beanie Man and say, yo, brother, you know answer, alright, me answer, and Beanie Man see what I go on and say, yo, that pass. But after that, the man get, after Beanie Man say that, he's like, bro, you make man talk for you. The man no wanna clash me G. Him no wanna clash. You understand? Masicka more of a look up to Alkaline me G, but look at now.
So, you know, to that point of like, no one man could ever run dancehall, you know, when is the clash gonna happen?
Answer, that pass. Alright, see the king just tell you what.
The answer, the correct.
The king just answer. Sometimes you have to make the king talk, you know.
Yeah.
So me I talk about people. The man I say, sometimes you have to make the king talk. That no make no sense, me G. Masicka no want no war, brother. You dip on a big platform and the youth ask you from the comments, say, yo, when you go do the clash with you and Alkaline, and you make Beanie Man answer for you, bro. You're not ready yet. That's what I tell him, say, bro, this clash thing with Masicka and Alkaline, brother, that pass, bro. The man a coward. You get a big question on platform like that. You understand? And you dead there. Like you have some little baby in a soda. With soda in her mouth. I saw you look. You understand? And when Beanie Man talk, you gallop. Like Beanie Man give one Red Bull for drink. You understand? And a little rum in a cup. Bro. Brother, Masicka not ready at me G. You understand? Him not ready yet. Masicka does a bag of chatting dog, Masicka do me G. You understand? But me go hear what I say.
Remember me attack, you know. You see me? And when me looking at crystal ball, me no miss. So me know say I have a bag of man on the internet who love chat. But remember the type of work I do differently. You see me? It wanna need to lock down the business. And make we show them what time it is. Because everybody are this and that and rare, you know. If you wanna decide a morning for clash, remember me telling you, enough people. Some of the artists and nobody not go and hear them. You see me?
But brother, you have to understand, you know, me G. Remember say Bounty and Beanie clash, you know. Start from a weddy, you know. You understand? Some little thing going on weddy and bag a ray and them and little thing they go on a weddy and some mic thing and things start flare up now. You understand? Zine, something happened there so. You see me? You understand? So look here now. Bounty and Beanie clash, brother. It has stem from something will happen like naturally. Cartel and Movard are the same thing, my G. Cartel and Bounty Killer Fallout. Movard they might defend the thing. You understand? They might diss the whole alliance. So yeah. And they might diss Movard too. The whole alliance. So something stem. You have to just understand, my G. The Masicka and Alkaline thing now. See? This is why it don't even prep up for my G. There's nothing there, dog. Like, to be honest, from the get-go, where really Masicka Alkaline have. Otherwise, Masicka did I look the attention from the Gaza fans, so I might try say something about Alkaline and a bag of things, say no rate Alkaline and this and that and Ray. Remember, you know, again, he might try again something, you know. Because them time there, him no boss yet. Alkaline was a man at the town, everybody I talk about. So him never like that. You understand? Because him even boss pan the same rhythm of champion boy where Alkaline have. Other rhythm there, make him get him first song where we give him the breakthrough in the game. You understand? So nothing really did it for Masicka Alkaline war, my G. Masicka himself know that. That's why I play the interview. There's nothing there. Him not really have nothing with Alkaline. You understand? Him just did follow the crowd. You see what I'm trying to say? And I like Bounty and Beanie, brother, and over that has stem from something. You see what I'm trying to say? It has stem from something, my G. You see it?
It happening in a Bounty time. It happening in my father them time. You see me? And it can't happen now. But me say, if you want to decide for clash, it doesn't matter who said them are the man. It doesn't matter which female artist, which male artist I put out its song. Any how you want to decide seriously. So now go at it and give the fans them what they want. Because at the end of the day, you know, it's not up to no man at all, you know. It's up to the fans, you know. And what the fans want, you know. And this generation want the Alkaline and the Masicka. So if you not decide, you see me? I know Alkaline ready. Masicka, I know you're not coward. Do the right thing.
Brother, man a coward. The man have nothing against Alkaline, my G. You know, see in an interview, man ask him when I clash with them and Alkaline. Where man, the man make being talk for him. Masicka no want to clash, my G. Masicka is just a guy where him just talk something. Him no want nothing, him not serious. The man not serious, my G. You understand? The reason why Masicka really war Cartel, you know, war Tamil, you know, dog, are because of the Gaza thing, you know. And them a diss him up, you know. You understand? With Alkaline, brother, is a different thing. You see me? Remember say Masicka been a follow up Alkaline because him did a try again the Gaza fans. So now him and the Gaza fans split up now. Him no want nothing, my G. Masicka not serious, but if Masicka is serious, war go a long time. Alkaline just a song him open her brain and bag of thing. The man not ready yet, dog. You understand? Man no. Masicka not ready yet, bro. Man no want to clash, brother. Who him really want clash, I can't tell him want clash. You understand? Because him not really have nothing with Alkaline like that.
That's how me act.
You see me? Him not really have nothing with Alkaline like that for clash. I can't tell him want clash, bro. You see it? You see like when him a war family, that him want. You see me? Him no want nothing with Alkaline, my G. If I did that, him do it long time. You see me? I just one of them things, bro. Because at the end of the day, if anybody for talk, I him first run out. You see me? I him first run out, my G. You see it? So, I just one of them things, brother. Sometimes some man, remember, you know, sometimes if you walk past one gate and you see one dog a bark, see, sometimes if you go a gate, you know, the dog run, go a gate and open gate, the dog run back, you know. I saw some dogs stay, you know. So, Masicka no want nothing, brother. If Masicka see him in an interview, there, so if Masicka he want to clash, there, so he would answer for himself, but a being answer, him not ready yet.
It's too hard to do for me, you know. Do the clash. Start it off, Masicka. I don't know if what you want name, if subliminal, they in the album of Alkaline, but it won't need to lock down the place right now, brother. The place boring. Couple of songs there, yeah, but
Yo, the brother and auntie, bro, you say place boring, me G, when World Cup are going, brother. Nobody now play music, no mind, me bro. You have to understand, you know, me G. Music are listening, you know. Seeing something is more stronger than listening to it, you know, bro. So the internet right now, people are look for see things. World Cup are going, them a watch World Cup, them a see people are bring this aside and ray, bro. Nobody now listen music now. When all of the World Cup gone, then things are gonna change. You understand? At the end of the day, the man them have song. You see me? Yeah, them have song right now. You see it? So at the end of the day, bro, World Cup are going on now. I just say, go brother, everybody in tune at the World Cup thing. You have to understand. But maybe because you there, you look for music, and because artists still a drop music. It's just that the most of the attention depends on the World Cup. You understand?
song them now last more than 2 weeks, more than 3 weeks, probably even 5 days. We want some clash, man. We want some clash. Is what I say? That we want. We don't want to bag talking anybody. Yeah. Anybody can come on the internet and yap. Anybody can post this and post that. We don't want to see this, we don't want to see that, we don't want I end the idea. We not
You look like a cartel man talking, you know, with a tall belt.
a world right now where any man can buy anything. Any man can do anything. You see me? Yeah. I clash, we want it clash, brother. You want it one, just decide, say, you hear me? Alkaline just decide, say, you hear me? You go bust off Masicka head. You see me? And Masicka, you just decide yourself and say, you hear me? You go bust off Alkaline head.
Brother, but you can't work like that, my G. You can't just get up and say, I'm gonna just clash that man there, so brother. You understand? I don't say it go, my G. You see me? I don't say it go, dog. Like, you think just it didn't make no sense. Well, you want a man to just run out and come on, my G, my youth. You have to understand the Movada and cartel thing, them and Bounty and Beanie. Them think they are stem from something, bro. You see me? Masicka run out and a bag of thing. Bro, nothing really dead there. Masicka no want no clash. He no want no clash, brother. That's why he ask the question. Him just say, yo, make the king see that you have to make the king talk. You understand? The man no want no clash, my G.
You see me? Remember, you know, dancehall, me love, you know, music, me love, you know. You see me? And I end the idea. It one can make crazy money out of this. No joke about it. That more want to know, bro. You see me? In this business, you're full of all of hate, full of all of bad mind. Nobody listen to people. Nobody make nobody raise no blood pressure. No don't reach already, dog.
So wait there, Masicka and Tamale no clash with there. I don't understand this, dog. Like, Masicka and Tamale clash with there, my G. I want the problem. My son does this clash thing, but I know some man just get up out of the blue and just clash some, my G. That don't make no sense. I not so it go. Sometimes things are fair stem from something, my G. Where you want, like, I feel like them think they are Clout running down thing, but you just want man them just get up and ray. You understand? I not so it go, my G. You see me? Masicka and Tamale clash with there. So now you rush Masicka now for clash Alkaline. Come on, my G, dog. Come on, my G. Yeah, they will make money, yes, and clash and ray and then promoters see what go on and bookings and yeah, a bag of thing attack in a dancehall and you see me? Yeah. Yeah, they might benefit of fighting a young based on the internet and every little thing and everybody have got tune in and you see me? Yeah, but come on, this as me say, Masicka no want to clash, me G. You see me? Cause if him the want the clash, he would answer that question. You see me?
Yeah. I come like call me now. It doesn't matter if my boss one artist or if me, you see me, get one big old plaque on the wall. Me don't reach already, brother. You see me? Family alright, kids alright. You see what I say? Yeah. But we want the clash. We want the clash, brother. We don't know son of me short. We don't know son of having the money. But I the street, that's what I tell you, brother. The street want the clash. You see me? Any I want to make 2 more artists rise, you know. And go up on phone level, you know. I done phone, you know. And when I say done phone, I not talk about son of career done, you know. I mean, son not go broke, you know. But I'm saying, the people them want the clash. So if 2 new artists come, and one dominate over your son and the other one dominate over your son, and they become giant like Uno, they're going to lock down the place, and people they want to go to and listen to. We see that now over and over in a dance hall. A phone time now. And I end the idea, anyone want to lose the clash is a win same way. Give the people them what they want, brother.
You feel like everybody has said that, my G? Eh? But tell me, you know, people, who are go forward? Brother, look how much clash go on in a dance hall with other artists, brother. and it's still not gonna win me G. So what you talk about? When you Valiant and TJ war, Malidan and Chronic Law war, much of artists war, even young little gens them a do them little thing, brother. He not do nothing. He not do nothing, my G. You understand? Yes, Masicka and Alkaline would have be a good thing, but bro, if the man not serious, if Masicka not serious, my G, him not serious, brother. When him ask the question, him not answer. Him not serious. So he's a brother where him just talk things and you know, I just one of them thing that dog. Nothing really dead and him not serious, my G. You see me?
Tell me see in one video with a belt a beat and people are say I'm Masicka Alkaline a beat. But where the beat? Is a bed in a beat or a stool or a chair or what? Because boy, if I did really want where the beat, Brethren? Boy, if somebody that get somebody that get them beating the boy, I tell them they couldn't survive it, you know. But the people that say I'm Masicka Alkaline a beat. And I look into it and I say, but weird. But if Cartel want to beat Masicka Alkaline, why would he use a belt? I feel like saying no. You shouldn't use a belt to beat Masicka Alkaline if that you want to do, you know. Because guess what now, Cartel? You see, when the music hit, nobody no feel no pain. But you see the belt there, it hot. Yes, the belt there, but yeah, Cartel, you might never beat you with belt yet. You know, hot. Wheel up all the skid all there, something there. I would have gone school teacher never beat you with belt. Yeah, man, the belt there, it hot, man. But when the music hit, you don't feel no pain. But you have no Cartel. You why me I say no. If you want to beat Masicka Alkaline, don't use no belt. You have to go beat them with music. Yes.
Brother, beat them with music. Bro, it's like, brother, you have to just understand, say, bro. Vice Cartel love the clout. Him have to use the internet to stay relevant. Him not gonna use no music, my G. You understand? Him not gonna use no music. Cartel no want nothing, brother. The man has to throw some songs, dog, for just stay current in the business, my G, for people talk about him. Him not serious, dog. What am I gonna do? Like, what am I gonna say? You understand? I just him that when him drunk, him say a bag of thing, brother. You see me? Him not serious. You know, him man say on the fix say, yo, him would want to see Alkaline and Masicka war. At that him say, him no want nothing, brother, man throwing the white flag. Man say, yo, I'm over them see as him opponent, like, with a war with. Man no want nothing, bro. The man does do some internet thing and way, but I just him that. You see me, him have to just do them thing, never stay relevant. You understand? Him can't use music. Cause him a release a bag of music, but nothing really dead there, nothing really stick like that, like one time. You understand? So him have to just do them thing there for people call him name. You see me? But I just some little joke and trolling thing that not really do nothing nice space, dog. Cause by the time few down the line, people feel all forget about all that there. You see me? At the end of the day, Alkaline and Masicka are big man them. You understand? You know use data, you know use bell for beat big man, me G. That nah do nothing. So I don't know if him son them him a beat or whatsoever, bro. You see what I try to say? Cause that nah do nothing, me G. You see me? I just internet trolling that. Some joke thing.
Beat them with music because Alkaline, you know, you see one when the Alkaline Cartel. Him have one song named Girl Good. Lord have mercy, but I know a boy nice song with the woman and crazy over so. The woman them mad over this song, yeah. I mean, everybody a talk about the song, sir. One thing more them feel understood. When Girl Good. Yes, I mean, the whole woman them a talk about it. All over the world, this woman a make video and a run out on the song. And a crazy over this song, yeah. Then now, the one when named Masicka one song and slip and slide. I saw she slide. But a girl can ride. Yes, that a one next song we are kick up from post and dance all to you Cartel. Yes, the woman them all out on it. You didn't know, sir. In a Europe, yeah. Me I tell you, you know. In a summer, yeah. Me I walk out on the road, yeah, drop top car, I drive past, me I play all. Girl good, you know. One thing more than we understood. When girl good, me say play. But Alkaline that. Yes. Then no me here and Masicka play in a car in a Europe, yeah, in a summer, yeah, too, you know. I mean, I say, wait, this the slide song there. I say, wait. I saw them song, yeah, go on the road. So you walk now, brother Cartel. Yes, if you want beat Masicka Alkaline, beat them with music. Yes.
Brother, them time they pass me G. That You know, that them days are done. You understand? If I the music, I just a bag of belt, brother. That nah do nothing, me G. That I just some internet running thing, you see me? That nah do nothing, me G. You see it? At the end of the day, him not serious. If the artist them step to him musically, what am I do? I gotta just play levels card, nothing under there.
Beat them with music because as far as when me see them I go and do but not dancehall, you know. I'm member in a cartel. I world boss, you know. And you are the king of dancehall. And I are the goat. So if you want to beat Masicka and Alkaline, beat them with some music, man. Hold it to them and flag them with some music. Because you see two songs when you have a go and dancehall, then two songs they have a weak in the dancehall no cartel. Yes, man. Y'all go down, flip and slide. So you have now. If you want to beat them, music, man. Because when the music hit, you don't feel no pain. Nobody at all don't feel no pain. But you see belt there. The belt there hit hot. Yes. You know say I hit that.
People, big up on yourself, you know. You see me? Cartel have to do what him have to do to stay relevant on the internet, you see me? Can't stop him to do that. You see me? But the clashing thing and this and music thing, Cartel good, me G. Him drink him rum, him just turn on him TikTok bag of thing. Nothing not go on. You see me? If him they have a couple shows here, don't not prepare for that. But I just say go that, man, I just try to stay relevant here, that. I can't even miss that. Some joke thing that, dog. You see me? But people, you don't know one media facts, you know. As at the end of the day, all of your music with there for. When there was some internet belt and them think they are joke thing, G. I pick anything that. You understand? But people, you don't know one media facts pan here. There's no other. Big up on yourself. You understand? Big up all of the supporters them. You see me? Big up all of the apps them too. You see me? Because at the end of the day, we're there for music. You see me? One there for man, and music, me there for. You see? But people, big up on yourself. You know what thing said. That is it.